ਮੈਂ ਚਾੜੀ ਆਖਿਆ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਮਹਾਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਓ ਮੇਰੇ ਟੱਪ ਬੱਤੀ ਮੋੜ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਕਾਰ ਐ ਪਰੌਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਹੱਥ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਆਓ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਖੱਬੇ ਯਾਰ ਮੂਹਰੇ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦੀ ਟਿਪਸੀ ਨਾਲ ਪੈ ਕੇ ਗੇੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਆਖਿਆ ਫਿਰਦੇ ਮਹਾਲੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਟਿਪਸੀ ਤੂੰ ਕੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਛੱਡਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਛੱਡੀ ਯਾਰੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਪੀਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਚਾਹ ਸਿੱਕੀ ਕੋਲੇ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਸੁਣੀ ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਨੱਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਨਾਮ ਹੈ ਮੇਰਾ ਪ੍ਰੇਮ ਸੰਕੇਤ ਮੇਰਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾੜਾ ਦੇਖ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਚੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਉਨਾਰਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਚੋ ਨਾ ਕੱਚੇ ਪੈਰ ਜੱਟ ਡਿੱਗ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਜਿੱਦੇ ਆਇਆ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਤਾਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਆਊਗਾ ਸੱਚੀ ਗੱਲ ਜੀਬ ਜੀ ਸਿਆਣਿਆਂ ਦੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਐ ਚੜਿਆ ਜੇ ਸੂਰਜ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਵੀ ਤਾਂ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਐ ਰਾਤੀ ਦੀ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਥੋੜੀ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਤੇ ਵੀਰੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਹੱਸਿਓ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਥੱਲੇ ਕਾਲੀ ਕਾਰ
As I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.
DJ Nick, that's what it is.
Let's go. Oh hoya ki je pinda wale desi bach gaye oh maane wali gall hona desi baliye oh mood mat dilan de raaje kule yak bas thode je subah de kaleshi baliye je tu pini wala sunna ta suni ri chala ke tenu dasuga detail vich billo yak ka ke tere shehar di mandir follow kar din swag sada kur sab kam na khesi baliye ਪੁੱਛਦਾ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਵੇ ਮਿੱਤਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਮੰਗੇ ਰੋਜ਼ ਜੱਟ ਦੀ ਤੂੰ ਸੂਵੇ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਦੱਸ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਚੱਲਿਆ ਏ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਤੜਦੇ ਤੂੰ ਗੱਲੀ ਅੱਜ ਢੁੱਲਣ ਵਾਲਾ ਲੂਵੇ ਜਦ ਜਾਨ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਬਾਬਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਬੱਲਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੱਡੂ ਪੈਣਾ ਸਾਨਾ ਤੇ ਕਸੂਰ ਵੇ ਜਦ ਜਾਨ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਕਰੇ ਬਾਬਾ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਤੂੰ ਸਲੀ ਦੀ ਪਿੱਲੀ ਤੇਰੇ ਹੋਰ ਵੇ
Hello everyone. Welcome back. We have potentially two trade setups here. Opposite directions. On the left is gold, right is pound yen. And just waiting for the candle to close to potentially take a shot here. And candle closes above this candle, then it's a buy. We're looking bigger range here, of course. One minute and counting. Alright, pound yen is pulled back, so we might not get the close we're looking for, but we have the close on gold, so absolutely beautiful. Two and one. Alright. So since we're not taking trade on pound yen, we're just gonna switch this to gold. And this is the zone. We have a wick right here. Three. just waiting for the candle to break the low and we're gonna get in. Dun, 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 dun. Mm. Down. Buy So guys, for this trade to be valid, we don't want price going back into the zone. In other words, the 4 hour is about to close, and if the 4 hour close is anywhere below 1647, 60, I'd say we have a chance of pulling back down 100 pips, if not 270 pips. Right, we could fill up that whole daily candle, which was on the 21st. So now it's just a matter of what price does. If it does stay below 1647.60, then yes, we can go short. But if it doesn't, then we're gonna have to wait because the higher time frame has rejected. We might very possibly push back up and fill this candle at 1658. So it's just a waiting game right now. The 15-minute is pushing up rapidly. Could be a liquidation candle. But as soon as we form some sort of support here, I will be taking a short. And let's say if I'm in a trade and the 4-hour closes inside this range, I'm most likely going to come out if I'm not already out. But if the 4-hour closes below this range, meaning below 1647.60, then I'll be staying the trade, potentially holding till 1636. And if you guys are really feeling it, then grab this 300 pip move or 255, depending on where you enter from. 1620. So this could be really good, or it could just be a fake out. So in the, I'd say the 1 year of serious trading, right? I mean, I've been trading for about 2 years, but 1 year serious, I'd say the make and break is managing your trades. Yes, this is an idea. The idea can play out, or the idea can not play out. And if it doesn't play out, you want to lose less than you have anticipated to lose. So if you're risking, let's say $100, make that half. If you're risking 50, 25, and so on. And that way, when you do have a winner, you've made double, or it might even be triple, just because of managing your trades. Simple as that. Cool. Right, looks like the 1 hour is really going for the pullback. And if it does come down to flip bearish, we're gonna get into a trade at 1645 even. That's if it does come back. If it doesn't, then we're probably gonna have to wait. The 15-minute is starting to reject. That's good. Support here. We get a shot there. Yep. Looking good so far. 3 minutes. The 1 hour 2 has to close. I mean, if the 4 hour closes the right spot, the 1 hour will close in the right spot. So 47.60, yeah. As long as it's here, it's alright. This is where we want it to close, anywhere below here. Can make it even thinner. There we go. So anywhere below this square, I'd say we have a great chance of moving down to fill up that 4-hour body candle. 80 pips, incredible. But still, if you want to place your stops all the way back here, it's not really viable. Stops here, 80, 80, 76, almost a 1-to-1 trade. Actually, it's 79.4, 72 is it? 74, yeah, almost a 1-to-1. $78, 72, 74. Alright. How's the 5-minute doing? Alright, 5-minute has closed above the zone. Now let's see whether the higher time frame follow this, but they reject this. And this is the reason why we don't go too low, because we can have fake confirmations on the lower time frames. So you can see a lot of bullish activity here on the lower time frame. The higher time frames can follow this, in other words, push up. If this candle flips, we're gonna move up. Or do the high time frames reject that idea? And it all depends on the 15-minute. Looks like the 15-minute might just follow the 5. Time will tell. Time will tell. If that's the case, we might have to trade on pound yen. Look at that, pound yen is flipping again. Looks like it was a fake earlier, huh? Oh boy, we missed it. Wow. We totally missed the move. But it was difficult, Had you had impulse entries, this candle rejected this area. Closed below. Not giving us any confirmation at all. Right? And if you go to the low time frame, the 15-minute closed below as well. So it was very, very challenging. Very challenging to get into this trade. I would say almost impossible for the style I do trade now. Entries there, 13. I could see myself entering at the top, but is it worth it? Could have been. Could have been. 13 pips stop loss. 25. Alright, looks like the 15-minute followed the idea as well. Now we go to 30-minute to see if the 30-minute does follow as well. So this candle closed 1647.80. $16.47, and this candle closed at 1647.76. So that's the exact mark, 1647.76. It has to be below 1647.76. Anything below 47.76 is alright. Look at pound yen. This is incredible. Such a difficult trade, but the idea was on point though. If we break and close above, we're gonna move up. But the market does what it wants to do. Look at this. You form support here. You took a buy above here. Market gave you 20 pips. With spreads, probably you only got 15 maybe. Yeah, still not bad. 15 pips stop loss, 15 pip trade. but just so risky, you know. So risky. I think the shot here would be a better trade. Incredible. The shot trade here is incredible. But I don't know if we will get the shot though. Because the high time frames are really bullish on pound yen. Very bullish on pound yen. If you look at the, was it the hourly? You can see a head and shoulders pattern. And if you look really, really carefully, the right side of the neck, in other words, the left leg of the right shoulder, is higher than the other neck, which, if you have studied head and shoulders, you'd know that's a even better setup. It's just another confluence for another bullish breakout. So high time frames are very bullish on pound yen. So I don't see a shot. That's why I was like very biased towards long, but unfortunately we didn't get the close we wanted, you know. Had it closed here, like we definitely would have been this straight. But you know, we just take what we get, you know. If it's breadcrumbs, we take it. Looks like the 30-minute is rejecting that idea. Very, very nice. And it'll all depend on the 4-hour candle, if you ask me. 4 hour is like the confluence, similar to on pound yen. When does a 4-hour close? The 4-hour closes in 40 minutes. Well, this 4-hour, you see the head here? This is what I was talking about. Left shoulder, and this is the neckline right here. Left shoulder, neckline, the right shoulder, which is at 167.50. This is the neckline right now. So we could get a retest exactly like this, up and down to about here. But the thing is, the 4 hours already rejected that level, but not really tested 167.50. So yes, there is a potential. There is some potential for it to continue moving down, considering we broke a low, we broke the support, closed below, made a pullback, formed support. There is a possibility of it going down. So yeah, that's actually it's interesting. That's good. 167, yeah, right there. So let's see, you know. If the hourly flips, I could see this moving down rapidly. Similar to on gold. Look at this rejection. Let's check out the 15-minute. Not on pound yen, but on gold. This is very good, guys. I think I'm gonna wait for a close, and the next break we're gonna take it. We're gonna take it all the way down. Looks like we're gonna get a trade right now. 8 minutes and a pullback and the break of the low. We should be entering the shot. I actually want this candle to close a bit lower. Just a bit lower. At least it gives room for the next candle to push up a little bit. I don't want it to be so tight. Even though tight might not be a bad thing. Seven minutes. Oh, waiting is so slow. Push lower. Come on, push lower. There we go. The spreads are really, really good as well. Look at it. One. Yeah, incredible. Pound yen has a 1 to 2. The thing is, the thing about Pepperstone is I don't pay any commissions on gold. It's incredible. I pay 0 commissions on gold. Da, da, da. 1650. Come on, get to 1646. 21. The volume is 1000. That's not bad. That's actually really, really not bad. 1646. 21. Come on, you got this. Lower. Lower, lower, lower. Yes, perfect. Now make your pullback. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. With the 200 MA. Wow, very nice. Look at the volume coming in. Very nice. Just gonna wait 4 minutes before we enter. It's 16 pips stop loss. Yeah, not bad. 16 to 18 pips. If you enter right now, but I'm not going to risk it. Risk it for the biscuit. Oh, gold is flexing. Da, 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 da. 2 minutes. Alright, this is very, very good. Look at that. 9 minutes about to close. Yes, sir. 2, 1. Make a pullback wick. Good, nice pullback wick. Very nice. And now we can break the low. As soon as we break the low of the candle, guys, we're gonna take a trade right here. Anticipating price to move down to fill the 4-hour candle. So I'm just gonna shift this. Perfect. Yep, we are ready. Right, looks like it's coming down. We are flipping bearish. Yes. And we're about to execute. $16.45.68. That's why we sell. 45.68. Alright, we got the sell. Stop loss goes right there. Very nice. If the candle flips bullish, guys, I'm closing the trade. Because this candle should not flip bullish. And we're out of it. It's a $9, 3.5 pips. And you will see, guys, why I did what I did. We would have got taken out right here. There we go. We already got taken out. There you go. And that's why, like I said, even though it might look like a perfect setup, you gotta be ready to manage the trade. Because had this been a winning trade, it would have been massive. And in this case, it wasn't. But look at it. We took a small hit. We took 3.5 pips. If you were trading a single lot, that's $35. If it's a one lot is $10. So it's $35. Yeah, maybe with commissions, whatever, depending. But yeah, $35. 10 lot, $350. That's it, you know. You got to know how to manage your trades, guys. So crucial. Can we re-enter the trade? Yes, if we break this low. Stops at 13 pips. The 4 hour candle is about to close. Really good, guys. I think we might get a trade during New York. After the 4 hour candle closes, it's gonna want to liquidate if it's gonna drop. And then drop. Oh, it could just drop, honestly. I was banking on this move, but not yet. We will get it, but not yet. The question is when. And had I not managed my trade here, I would be taking a $350 loss or $3,500 loss. Actually, no, actually more than that, depending on how much I was risking. So 1 hour is about to close. That's the bottom of the 1 hour. Yeah, once we flip, we're gonna go down. It's just entries were not precise enough. Look at that. It's just breaking and breaking and breaking. re-entering here is not bad. I might just give this trade a second chance, guys. Actually, should I? The fall is about to close. It's gonna want to make a top wick. My rule for re-entering is wait for this candle to close, see how it closes, and then get in on the next candle. That's my rule. Okay, so if I re-enter, okay, so we're gonna give this trade another chance, depending on how this candle closes, before I call it a day. Right, guys. So the 4 hour closed really well below this, but the 1 hour, sorry, the 4 hour is gonna have to wake up. So we're gonna probably get a retracement here, and then there'll be a better shorting opportunity than just getting it here, because this is not the right place. This entry was taken on an impulse entry, but we got slipped 2 pips. Right, it was supposed to be the break of this 1 hour low and push all the way down. Right, it was a break of this level and all the way down. It's the anticipated level. There's 80 more pips to be gained, so no FOMO, guys. Just chill, pull back in, better trade short. But again, market could just push down, so it just depends on what we get. And if price just push back, I'm probably going to be taking a shot in this zone. This impulse trade was just something I've seen before, and that's why I'm experimenting with it. And just seeing what can be done. I think price will retrace. We'll have a better opportunity short here up here. So impulse entries, I mean, it's good for securing. I think the best I had was like 10, 12 pips. I would have secured it 15 to 18. But that's all good, you know, because this is just an experimental trade, just to see how price behaves. Had I not got slipped, our entries would have been right at that point right there. This 1 hour candle. This is the break. Because we were just, price was just moving on up here. It was bullish, it was moving up here. And when it did flip, I took the shot. So we got, at best, was 14 pips. So this could be a potential strategy I could adapt, but still experimenting with it. We'll see. I'm not too comfortable with it. As you can see, I've moved my stops to break even. I'm not comfortable with this strategy, so still getting used to it. It's definitely very tricky. I could have secured 12 pips there. It would have been much better. So if I'm going to take an impulse next time, it's probably going to be 10 to 15 instead of 15 to 20 pips. That's much better. Yeah. 10 to 15. So easily secured right there. No doubt this candle will definitely go down to fill up this level here. It's just that whether it goes down straight away or most likely a pullback. My anticipation is 1647.70 will be tested. So 1647.70. Yeah. Somewhere here. Price will go up here before then breaking down. Oh, looks like we're just going down. Alright. The break of this low is even in curve. I'm definitely looking to enter this trade if it pulls back. If it does come back up here, this is going to be a great opportunity to short it. I want it to come back up here. The question is if it does come back up there. 1645 is here. Let's see how far it can come back if it does come back. Looks like the 15 is forming a support right there. Getting ready to push up. Makes sense. 5 has probably already done it. No, it's about to do it. Yep. It's about to break up. And once it does, it's 14 pips straight up. Absolutely beautiful. Incredible. Exactly as predicted. Unfortunately, we didn't get the close here. Tough times. Anyway, it's all good. Anyway, guys, I'm probably gonna head off, and if gold does pull back, you better believe I'm taking the trade, because that'll be an incredible trade. Right, just need you to pull back here and then get a good shot there. The 4 hour has already given us the confirmation that we're gonna go lower, so we are gonna go lower. Just make sure you're in it, because we have 67 pips to go. Not yet. Hopefully some sort of support, liquidation, whatever, all the gimmicks. As soon as we start breaking this, guys, get on it. As soon as we break this, get on it. Of course, you can get in sooner, but you know, the risk is associated with that. Right, this experimental trade was alright. I'm just gonna close it at 10 pips. And 3, 2, nice. Alright, we closed at 9.8. That's $98, $980, $9,800. It's perspective. Just building confidence. So, lesson learned was that I got in this trade because of the 1 hour break right here. This candle right here. This candle right here was bullish the entire time. As soon as we were coming to close on the hourly, it started flipping. I waited for the break of this candle's low. I took an impulse sell, got slipped 2 pips. That's why we got an entry there. We secured. We were given about 13, 14 pips. I was looking at 15, secured at 9, 10 pips. Alright. Impulse strats are really dangerous, as you've seen. It's just flicking up and down. Oh, looks like it's coming back down. It was just waiting for me to close. My 0.01 lot. Alright, awesome. Anyway, yeah, waiting for price to come back before I look to fill up the 4 hour. We have 78.4 pip range down there, guys. This is incredible. Grab it.